So today we'll discuss how to check whether given number is terminating or non-terminating, which I told you in yesterday's class. If it is terminating, we have to convert into decimals. Convert into decimal, not by division, without division. We have to convert into decimals without division. This is the topic we are going to discuss. Okay, now children. So all of you, 1 by 2, is it terminating or not terminating? Only 2 is there, so it is terminating. If it is terminating, you have to convert into decimal. How do you convert? If it is not terminating, no need to convert, children. How? 1 by 2. Okay, children, how to convert into decimal means multiply and divide with 5. Multiply and divide with 5. Multiply and divide, because denominator we should have 2 and 5. No, children, multiply and divide with 5. So 5 by 10, 5 by 10, 0.5 is the answer. Okay, so need to understand. You will understand, children, within 3 after 10 sums you will understand. 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is non-terminating. No need to convert it to decimal. No need to convert it to decimal. Third, 1 by 4. Prime factorization of denominator is 1 by 2 into 2, 2 square. 2 square. Because denominator has only 2, it is a terminating. It is terminating. When it is terminating, you have to convert into decimal without division. How to convert without division means down 2 square is there, no children? Multiply and divide with 5 square. Somehow we have to see that denominator should convert into zeros. Multiply. If it is 5 square, multiply and divide with 2 square. If it is 2 square, multiply and divide with 5 square. Why means you will understand. Listen, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 10 square. 25 by 100. 25 by 100 means 0.25. I didn't do any division. Directly I am writing off. Without division. I told you without division you should do. Okay, children, keep copying along with me. Whatever I'm saying, you keep copying. Okay, 3 sums. 4th sum. 1 by 5. 1 by 5, it is terminating because denominator is only 5. Okay, because it is terminating, convert it to decimal. Because 5 is there, multiply with and divide with 2. So 2 1s are 2, 5 2s are 10. 2 by 10 is 0.2 over. Without division, you have to convert it to decimal. 1 by 6. 1 by 6. Prime factorization of denominator is 2 into 3. As 3 it is there, non-terminating, no need to convert it to decimal only. 1 by 7. Prime factorization of denominator is only 7, non-terminating, no need to convert. 1 by 8. Prime factorization of denominator is 2 cube. Yes, it is terminating because denominator is only 2, only 5, 2 and 5. So 1 by 2 cube. When 2 cube is there, multiply and divide with 5 cube. 5 cube is 125. Okay, 5 cube, 125, 1 is 125. Okay, and this we can write as 10 cube. Children, 10 cube is how much, children? 1000, 0.125. Without division, I told you, no children, without division, we have to convert into decimal. Without division. Okay, as I keep doing the sums, you will understand, children. 1 by 9. 1 by 9 is 1 by 3 square. Prime factorization, non-terminating, waste of even discussion also. 1 by 10. 1 by 10 means prime factorization is 2 and 5. Super, which is terminating. Because 2 is there, 5 is there. So 1 by 2, 5s are 10, 0.1. Okay, children, you are able to understand. Okay, suppose, sir, here 2 is there. What we should do means 0.2, you write down. What is there? It's not a big logic. Okay, are you able to understand? So numerator is not important, children. Denominator only important. Okay, I told almost 10 sums. Okay, 25 sums I will tell you, children. Then you understand perfectly. You should never forget. These are all silly topics, children. You will get for 1 mark and 2 marks in board exam, children. But you will get. Denominator is only having 11. 11 is a prime number, so non-terminating, waste of discussion also. Okay, 1 by 12. What is prime factorization of 12, children? 2 into 2 into 3. As 3 is there, it is non-terminating, waste of even discussion. Okay, no need to convert. 1 by 13, prime number, non-terminating. Okay, 1 by 14. 14 means 2 into 7, non-terminating. Okay, children. 1 by 15. Please listen, children. All of you should listen. 3 into 5. 3 is there, so non-terminating. It won't convert into decimal. 1 by 16. 16 is what, children? 1 by 2 to the power of 4. Yes, it is terminating. Once it is terminating, multiply and divide with 5 to the power of 4. Because 2 to the power of 4 means 5 to the power of 4. So 5 to the power of 4 by this, how much, children? 10 to the power of 4. 5 to the power of 4 is how much, children? 625. 10 to the power of 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 0.0625. Without division, you have to convert into decimal. I hope you are getting a small picture about this. Okay, 17 non-terminating, waste of discussion also. 1 by 18, 18 prime factorization 2 into 3 square, which is an into 18 non-terminating. Okay, 1 by 90 non-terminating, 1 by 19 is non-terminating. Okay, so children, 19 sums I told till now. You are able to understand, children? Please, children, try to cooperate with me. 25 sums, I will say normal sums, then I will go to big sums. 20th question, 1 by 20. 20 prime factorization is 2 into 2 into 5. 1 by 2 square into 5. Only 2 and 5 are there. It is terminating. Once it is terminating, we have to convert into decimal. How? So, children, already 2 square is there. 1 5 is there. See, children. If 2 square was there, I was multiplying and dividing with 5 square. But already 1 5 is there. So, one more 5 we want. Because we are keeping down, up also we should keep. Multiply and divide with 5. So 5 by 2 square into 5 square. So 5 by 10 square. 5 by 100. 0.05. Okay, children, very good. 1 by 21. So 1 by 3 into 7. Non-terminating. 1 by 22. 1 by 2 into 11. 11 is there. Non-terminating. 1 by 23. 23 is there. Non-terminating. 1 by 24. 24 means what, children? Prime factorization. 2 12s are 2 6s are 2 3s are. 3 is there. Non-terminating. Okay, children? Non-terminating. You are able to understand? Keep copying with me, children. Keep copying with me. Don't waste time. Don't sit idle. Just don't sit idle in front of computer. Listen. 1 by 25. 1 by 5 square. 5 square means multiply and divide with 2 square because it is terminating, no, children. Only 5, only 2, and only 2 and 5 is good. Multiply and divide with, if 2 square is there, 5 square. If 5 square is there, multiply with 2 square. Divide with 2 square. 4 by 10 square. 4 by 100. 0.04. That's all, children. You are able to understand? I hope you are able to understand. Okay. Okay, children. Now, little bit big numbers we'll discuss, children. Little bit big numbers. Okay. So yesterday I was giving you some numericals. Okay, children. That numericals we will discuss now. What are the numericals? 1 second. 1 second. I will open my book so that we'll have fast glance on it. You'll understand, children. So don't get confused. Very, very easy, children. This is okay. So next, big numbers. 13 by 3125. Prime factorization of denominator. 3125 prime factorization is what, children? 5 6 are, 5 2s are, 5 5s are, 5 1s are, 5 2s are, 5 5s are, 5 2s are, 5 5s are, 5 5s are, 5 1s are. Okay, children. 13 by 5 to the power of 5. Children, only 5 is there, so it is terminating decimal. So multiply and divide with 2 to the power of 5. So 13 into 32 by 5 2s are 10, 10 to the power of 5. 13 2s are 26, 13 3s are 39, 416 by 1 2 3 4 5. 0.00416. Your textbook sum, children. Without division, we have to convert into decimals. Okay, a textbook sum, children. This is outright. Prime factorization you have to do and show in the exam. I did somewhere in the rough column, sir. Here I did, there it means we won't accept. Compulsory beside the sum, we should see the prime factorization, how you are doing. Okay. Next. 26 sums I told children. You people. No, some more sums. 10 more sums I will say, children. 17 by 8. 17 by 2 cube. Only 2 is there, so it is terminating. Once it is terminating, you have to convert into decimal. Multiply and divide with 5 cube. 17 into 125 by 10 cube. Okay, now 17 5s are 85, 17 2s are 34, 42, 71 are 70, 21 by 1 2 3. 1000 is then 1 2 3. So 2.125. Okay, children. Some more, some 64 by 455. Prime factorization of denominator, children. What you'll get? 5 9s are 5 1s are 13 7s are 64 by 5 into 13 into 7. What are these weird numbers? Prime numbers. So it is non-terminating. No need of converting into decimal only. No need to convert into decimal. If it is terminating, only we should convert. If it is not terminating, it will never end, children. It keeps on repeating. So no need of conversion also. We can't convert also. Only by division you can convert. Okay, 28 sums I told children for you. 29th sum I'm telling children. 15 by 1600. Yesterday only I told. Before resuming to the sum, compulsory you have to simplify. Without simplification, never do the sum. 5 3s are 5 3s are 5 2s are 320. Prime factorization of 320 to 1s are 2 6s 0s are 2 80s are 2 40s 2 20s 2 10s 2 5s. So what you're getting 3 by 2 to the power of 5 into 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, sorry. 6 into 5 to the power of 1. Here children, they have to multiply with 5 to the power of 5 into 5 to the power of 5. Why children? Because here 6 is there now, here also 6 should come. 3 into 5 to the power of 5 by 2 to the power of 6 into 5 to the power of 6. Okay children, so 3 into 5 to the power of 5, 5 5 is 25, 625, 625 into 2. Okay, 1250 by, how much is this children? 10 to the power of 6. 3 0 3 5 are 15, 6 7 3 by 1 2 3 4 5 6. This cancel. 1 2 3 4 5 0.00375. After point, 5 numbers should be there because 5 zeros. You're able to understand children? Never forget. Compulsory you have to simplify. Do prime factorization. Here 2 to the power of 6 is there. Here 5 to the power of 1. To make 6, I should multiply and divide it 5 to the power of 5. Then it will become 2 to the power of 6 and 5 to the power of 6. 6 means 10 to the power of 6. Try to understand children. Very, very easy sums. Compulsory you will get in 1 mark questions. All those exam children. 29 sum. 29 by 343. Children, 343 means 7 cube. 7 cube means non-terminating. Based of discussion also children. 23 by 2 cube into 5 square. 23 into 2 cube into 5 square. Okay children. 5 square means children. Here cube is there, here 2 is there. So multiply and divide with 1 5. Then what it will become? 23 by 2 cube into 5 cube. You are able to understand children? 23 into 5, 2 3 into 5. Then 23 by 10 cube. 23 by 10 cube means 23 by 1000. 1000 means after point 3 numbers should be there. After point 3 numbers should be there. Amma.
Well, even up you should multiply by 5, sir. 23 into 5.
Oh, I didn't multiply. I'm sorry, children. I didn't. Okay. 5 3 is 15, 5 2 is 10, 11. Thank you for helping me, children. So 115 by 10 cube, 115 by 1000. That is 0.115. Okay, children. So some more sums I will say, children. Then you'll become perfect. 31 sum, 31st. See, children, I'm saying 129 by 2 square 5 to the power of 7, 5 to the power of 7 into 7 to the power of 1. 7 to the power of 1, 5, yeah, 7 to the power of 5 is there, children. Children, whatever it is there, 7 to the power of 5, 7 is there. 7 also won't go in this table. So it is not terminating, waste of discussion only. Suppose 7 to the power of 5 was not there. Imagine. Then it is terminating. Okay. So children, anyone will say we have to multiply and divide with what number? Anyone wants to say?
2 to the power of 5.
Very good. Because 5 to the power of 7 means this also we should make 7. So 2 to the power of 5 and 2 to the power of 5. 129 into 32. Okay. And this will become 2 to the power of 7 into 5 to the power of 7. Okay, this also will become to the power of 7. This we can't decrease, this we can increase. 129 into 32 by 10 to the power of 7. Okay, children, then you multiply this and whatever numbers 129 into 32, how much you are getting? 2 9 18 by 2, 3 9 3 6 7 8 3 8 2 1 4 1 2 8 4 1 2 8 by 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 0.000412 like this. You are able to understand, children? Please try to understand, children. Okay, now suppose 6 by 15 is there. Without simplifying, if you don't simplify, it will be 3 into 5. You will think 3 is there, non-terminating. You will think like that. But if you simplify, 3 2s are 3 5s are 2 by 5. Down only 5 is there, so it is terminating. You understood, children? If you don't simplify, it is 3 is there, you will say non-terminating. But if you simplify, only 5 is there, it is terminating. Understood? That's why I was telling from yesterday onwards, please simplify. into 2 into 2. Why children? Because 5 is there, so into 2 you should do. 4 by 10, 0.4, like that children. You're able to understand what is the importance of simplification. If you don't simplify one answer, if you simplify one answer. Okay children. Or 35 by 50. Again children, without simplification, don't go ahead. 5 7 the 5 10 the 7 by 10. 7 by 2 into 5. Factorization has only 2 and 5, so it's the best terminating decimal. 7 by 10 is 0.7. Okay, children. 77 by 210. 77 by 210. Prime factorization of 210 is how much children? 5 4s are, 5 2s are, 2 21s are, 3 7s are. So 77 by 5 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 7 is there. Forget about this sum. Because not terminating, no need to convert it to decimal only. No need to convert it to decimal. Okay. Now question comes. Now question comes like this. Suppose children you have like this 2 by 2 what 3 say 3 2 to the power of 2 into 5 to the power of 4. Okay, 5 to the power of 4. Can anyone say we should multiply and divide with what number?
2 to the
2
power
to
of
the
2.
power 2.
Very great. 2 to the power of 2 and 2 to the power of 2. 3 4s are 12 by 2 to the 2 is 2 to the power of 4, 5 to the power of 4, 12 by 10 to the power of 4, 12 by 1 2 3 4 0.0012 like this. Okay children, for your understanding I am telling this one. Okay, so one more sum. Suppose 11 by 2 to the power of 5 by 5 to the power of 2 is there. Can anyone say? Any other?
5 to the power of 5. 5 to the power of 3.
5 to the power of 3, because somehow we should make that this also will become 5 to the power of 5. So 11 5s are 55, 11 2s are 22, 27, 11 1s are 11, 13 by 10 to the power of 5. 5 2s are 10. So 1375 by 2 3 4 5 0.01375 like this. Okay, children, I think I have told enough number of sums for you to understand. So whichever is less in number, okay, children. So here I think here we had this, though we can't decrease, but we can increase this. No, that's why 5 cube up and down I kept. This though we can't decrease, this we can increase. So I kept 5 cube down and up. Okay, like this you have to analyze the sum and we have to convert into decimals. And whatever questions I gave yesterday, children, whichever are terminating in the homework, convert them into decimals. Yesterday I have given some questions. Children. Same questions, whichever are terminating, convert them into decimals. That is your homework, children. Okay, I'm stopping the recording.